We have more news coming in. Let's go straight to that. All right, Congress Muslim netas are upset over no Lok Sabha ticket. AIMIM offers Lok Sabha ticket to Maharashtra Congress Working President. Waris Pathan says at least 3 Muslim candidates should be given ticket in Maharashtra, not one ticket given. I request Arif Naseem Khan to come our side and we will give him ticket from our party. Arif Bhai Omar hai bahut choti, apne ghar mein bhi hai roti, is what he said. Muslim will never get anything from the Congress. Muslims will not get anything from the Congress. This is what the AIMIM said against the Congress party. Listen in to Waris Pathan first.
जिसकी जितनी संख्या भारी उतनी उसकी हिस्सेदारी का नारा लगाने वाली INDIA गठबंधन ने महाराष्ट्र में एक भी मुसलमान को टिकट नहीं दिया। 48 लोकसभा की सीटें हैं जहां पर अगर हिस्सेदारी की बात की जाए तो कम से कम 3 टिकट मुसलमानों को मिलना ही चाहिए था, मगर ये महाविकास आघाड़ी जो अलायंस है, इन्होंने एक भी मुसलमान को टिकट नहीं दिया। क्यों भाई आप मुसलमानों को टिकट नहीं देते? आपको 90% मुसलमानों के वोट तो चाहिए, मगर उनका पॉलिटिकल एम्पावरमेंट, उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, उनकी आवाज को बुलंद कराने के लिए आपको कुछ नहीं करना है। क्या मुसलमान आपके लिए सिर्फ दरी बिछाएगा? आपने तो ये मान ही लिया है।
All right, Muslim netas will not get anything in the Congress. In fact, this is what has been said by AIMIM, inviting disgruntled Congress Muslim netas to join the AIMIM. That's what Waris Pathan has said. Offering Lok Sabha ticket to Maharashtra Congress Working President. Also, Waris Pathan has added that at least 3 Muslim candidates should be given ticket in Maharashtra, not one ticket given. Saurabh is getting asked more details on that story. Saurabh, AIMIM has always, in fact, said that the Congress only pretends, in fact, to be there or stand there for minorities, or stand with the minorities. That's far from the truth.
So, well, let me tell you, Sneha, now, one after the other, Muslim top leaders from the MBA in Maharashtra are showing away their displeasure, how they are not happy, they are very much upset that out of 48 Lok Sabha seat, not a one single Muslim candidate is there in the MBA. Yesterday, we had exclusively Naseem Khan speaking to India Today. We had a long conversation with Naseem Khan. He clearly said that not a single Muslim candidate in MBA. In fact, let me tell you, Naseem Khan was asked by party high command that he should prepare himself for North Central seat, which has a very majority of Muslim votes as well. But from there, Varsha Gaikwad was given ticket. Now today, let me tell you, Sneha, Samajwadi big leader from Maharashtra, Abu Azmi, has also showed his displeasure, saying that not a single Muslim candidate from MBA in Maharashtra, and this is going to hurt the Muslim Samaj. He is also saying that how we are going to face the common public in Maharashtra. Prakash Ambedkar is also targeting the MBA. AIM is giving clean offer to Arif Naseem Khan, saying that the time has not gone. There are 3 phases of elections still left in Maharashtra. Come and join our party. We'll give ticket to you. So clearly, the main core voter of the Congress party or the MBA in Maharashtra will be very much unhappy how their top leaders are showing their displeasure. But very interestingly, let me tell you, Kharge, Mallikarjun Kharge has given an interview, a press bite in Northeast. He has said that in Maharashtra there is a Mahavikas Aghadi. We have 2 others party and therefore we cannot disrespect them, and that is our alliance. Therefore we have to go ahead and that way we have to select a candidate. So somewhere down the line, Congress is not getting well in Maharashtra. They could not put their demands in front of Shiv Sena and NCP. So this is what is going on. But clearly this will be a big setback for the party to get the Muslim votes when they go out for the campaign.
All right, we'll see how that plays out in the state of Maharashtra. I'm going to thank you, Saurabh, for the moment, for joining us with those details.